Many community members have expressed feeling less safe in certain area. How is the police department working to improve the sense of the safety and security of the resident?
Yeah, so every day our officers are patrolling areas. We're actually doing more of what we focus on is directed patrol. So we're hitting areas that have high propensity for potential crime or criminal activity. But we also know that because we are short-staffed, we're really trying to make sure that we're really targeting violent crime. That's the area, and those areas are where shootings are occurring. So we know, just from a location that we're at right now, we know that the Safeway just down the block has been impacted by gun violence. We know that schools that are during their day, sometimes there's shots fired and they're going through lockdown, and those kids are experiencing trauma. So we're trying to make sure that we put our resources in those areas so kids and the community feel safe. Because this last year we are seeing a reduction in overall violent crime, that is a good trend that I hope people are starting to feel like maybe things are turning the corner. But again, we got to make sure that we keep our foot on the pedal and that we're still addressing a lot of the crime, and that we're holding some of these violent offenders that are literally harming our community, that are preying on our community, that we hold them accountable. We have to make sure that our court systems are keeping them held, and that our prosecutors are prosecuting. And I know everybody's working really, really hard, but we're dealing with a lot of challenges because we just don't have as many resources.